Hello guys, welcome to Algo Theory. Today I'm going to tell you how to download stock price from Quandl in Python API. You might think about Google Finance and Yahoo Finance API, but trust me, I'm getting error when I'm downloading stock from Google Finance and Yahoo Finance. So I thought it's the best way to download from Quandl. Quandl is a company which provides all type of data, all type of financial data, fundamental data, technical data um, regarding all over the world. So and it's absolutely free. You can easily download stock data from Quandl. So let's get started. So before that, you have to install Quandl in Python. If you are using Anaconda, you have to install the Anaconda prompt. So just type pip install Quandl in Anaconda prompt. So it will install in your Python package. So let's get started, right? So first you have to go to login to quantl.com, which is let's type Google Quantl. Um, so once you go to the home page, you have to log in, right? I have a login ID, so um, so the moment I put it, so I have already logged in here. You can see, but you have to log in separately. So you have to create if you have not registered yet, you have to create a login ID password. Then you can log in here. So this is the home page of Quantl. Um, Now let's download that data for BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, right? So type here BSE and search it here. So then you will get all the data here. You can see here this is BSE and NSE, but it's a premium data, but we'll download for free. So you can filter with free data here. Then you will get all the free data. Okay, so this is Bombay Stock Exchange. Now click on that. So it will give you all stocks here on the Bombay Stock Exchange. So if you see here end of day price, right? So then now let's say you want to download HDFC stock. So you just type HDFC here, um, and then you see HDFC Bank Ltd UOD price and HDFC Mutual Fund, all this. So we will download HDFC Bank Ltd, right? And the code is here. You can see 500180, right? Um, so this is the code, right? So if you go to um, so this is the code, and you want to download HDFC. So now you click on let's say go to BAC website, and you know click on that. So now I just wanted to just confirm you this code 500180. Now if you go to BAC website and here check 500180, right? So this is the HDFC Bank Ltd Limited, right? HDFC Bank Limited 500180 is the code. So that's correct. So that one here we are download. So just click on expand, and now you get the HDFC data here. So if you see on the right hand side, you can see here export data to JSON, CSV file, XML. We're not exporting data, we are just using Python libraries, right? So now you click on that Python, so you will get this package, right? Copy this, go to here. So first you put import Quandl, got it. Now you will if you have not installed Quandl in your Python, then you will get an error here. So first that's why I told you, right? So first you have to install Quandl in your Anaconda prompt before importing that, right? So once you've done that, and put let's say data equal to um, Quandl.get, then BSE, and then this is the code 50180, and this is the authorization token number, and then you just run it, you'll get the data here. Now the data is already downloaded here, so you just need to see the uh, head of it and tail of it. So data dot head. Now run this, so you will get the data. Now you can see open, high, low, close, weighted average price, number of share, number of trades, all the data here. But now it started from 1995 to till today. So if you just want to know the tail, so data uh, dot tail, and then you see the last 5 data, right? So it is, you can see 2019. So it means that the data frame started from 1995 to 2019 here. So now this data is already downloaded. HDFC Bank 1995 2019, all data. Now if you just want to see the closing price or open price, you can also try to do that. Let's say my data um, equal to, oops, um, then you can put, let's say you want open and closing price. You just need open and close price, right? So you can put that. So you need only this one, right? Open and close. So um, sorry, my data equal to data open and close. If you run that, you get the my data now. So my data frame is only open and close. So let's see my data dot head, and right, see, you can see only open and close, right? So this is how you can download the data from Quandl, and you can use the data in different purpose, right? Thank you so much for watching this video, and you can easily download this data using this Python API, and hope this will help you to do your further investigation or further developing any strategy regarding algorithm trading. Thank you so much for watching this. Thanks.